Gerunds are verbs ending in ing that act as nouns. Example: swimming is my favorite sport. They can be subjects or objects in sentences, showing actions or concepts. Example: running helps me stay fit. Gerunds often follow prepositions like before, after, etc. Example: I enjoy reading before bed. They can also be part of the perfect form with having plus past participle. Example: having studied, she passed the exam. Gerunds can replace entire actions as nouns. Example: I enjoy swimming, instead of I enjoy to swim. When in a series, gerunds maintain parallel structure. Example: he likes running, jumping, and climbing. They are used after certain verbs, like enjoy, avoid, instead of infinitives. Example: she avoids eating fast food. Gerunds are crucial in English for smooth communication and varied sentence structures. Understanding gerunds enhances language proficiency and writing skills. Practicing gerunds regularly aids in mastering their usage effectively. Quiz question 1. What is a gerund? Quiz question 2. Give an example of a sentence using a gerund. Quiz question 3. When do gerunds often follow prepositions? Quiz question 4. How do gerunds contribute to sentence variety? Quiz question 5. Name a verb that is typically followed by a gerund. Quiz answer 1. A gerund is a verb form ending in ing that functions as a noun. Quiz answer 2. Example answer: swimming is great exercise. Quiz answer 3. Gerunds often follow prepositions in sentences. Quiz answer 4. Gerunds help in maintaining sentence structures and variety. Quiz answer 5. The verb enjoy is commonly followed by a gerund.